Welcome to B-Tube. Quick review of Galaxy On8. The new model features a 6-inch Super AMOLED Infinity Display panel and comes with a dual rear camera setup. The handset is also touted to include artificial intelligence, AI-backed image enhancement features, including lid focus and background blur shape. There are also features such as portrait, dolly and portrait backdrop to deliver a unique photography experience. The Galaxy On8 Infinity additionally comes preloaded with Samsung's chat over video feature that enables chatting while watching a video. The Galaxy On8 2018 has 64 GB of onboard storage that is expandable via micro SD card, up to 256 GB. On the connectivity front, the smartphone has 4G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS/AGPS, micro USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Lastly, it packs a 3500 mAh battery. Dual SIM, Nano, Samsung Galaxy On8. Dual SIM, Nano, Samsung Galaxy On8, 2018, runs Android 8.0 Oreo with Samsung Experience UX on top and features. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC, coupled with 4 GB of RAM. The dual rear camera setup of the smartphone sports a 16-megapixel primary sensor, with an f/1.7 aperture and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/1.9 aperture. There's also an LED flash. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe.